In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Slack launch on login. If Slack keeps popping up every time you start your computer, it can be a little annoying and distracting. In this walkthrough, I'll show you 2 quick places to check so you can fully stop Slack from opening automatically. First, inside the Slack app itself, and then in your system startup settings on Windows. Follow along on your own screen as we go. Let's start inside Slack. With Slack open, look to the top of the window for your profile picture or initials. Click that to open the profile menu. In that menu, you'll see an option called Preferences. Go ahead and click Preferences to open Slack's settings panel. Inside Preferences, you'll see several categories on the left side. Find and select the Advanced section. This area controls some of Slack's background and startup behavior. In the Advanced settings, look for an option that says something like Launch App on Login. This is the setting that tells Slack to start automatically when you sign into your computer. Uncheck this box. Once it's unchecked, Slack itself will no longer request to run at startup. You usually don't need to click Save. The change applies right away. That's the first part. Now let's make sure Windows isn't also set to launch Slack when your computer starts. On Windows, right-click an empty area of your taskbar at the bottom of the screen. From the menu that appears, choose Task Manager. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also open Task Manager by pressing the keys Control, Shift, and Escape together. If Task Manager opens in a simple view with very few details, click More Details at the bottom to expand it. Once you see the full view, look for a tab at the top labeled Startup Apps. On some older versions of Windows, this tab might just be called Startup. Click that tab. You'll now see a list of all the programs that can start automatically with Windows. Scroll through the list until you find Slack. When you've located Slack, click on it to highlight it, then click the Disable button in the bottom right corner of the window. This doesn't uninstall Slack, it simply prevents it from launching when Windows starts. After you've disabled Slack in both its own settings and in the System Startup Apps list, restart your computer to confirm the change. When your system comes back on, Slack should no longer open automatically, giving you a cleaner, faster startup experience.